Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 dog foods in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the benefits, performance, and value of the leading dog food that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these products to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Adult Dry Dog Food, Chicken and Brown Rice Recipe. This 30 pounds bag is all about balanced nutrition and natural ingredients. This premium dog food features high-quality deboned chicken as the primary ingredient. Combined with brown rice, cranberries, and vegetables, it provides a balanced diet and strong muscle support. Blue Buffalo uses only premium ingredients, free from chicken or poultry byproducts, corn, wheat, or soy. It's a natural and wholesome choice for your furry friend. Formulated with essential proteins and carbs, it meets energy needs. Omega-3 and 6 fatty acids promote a healthy skin and coat, keeping your dog looking and feeling great. LifeSource Bits offer a precise blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to support immune health, life stage needs, and a healthy oxidative balance. In conclusion, Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula combines quality, nutrition, and taste. Give it a try and watch your dog thrive on this natural and balanced diet. Number 4. The Hill's Science Diet Adult 1-6 Premium Nutrition Dry Dog Food, Chicken and Barley, Small Kibble. Perfect for your furry friend's health. Let's dive in. This food boasts high-quality protein, essential for maintaining lean muscles. Your dog will stay strong and energetic, ready for any adventure. Packed with natural fibers, it supports healthy digestion. Your pet's tummy will be happy, and you'll notice the difference in their overall health. Enriched with omega-6 and vitamin E, it keeps your dog's skin and coat looking beautiful. Healthy inside and out. Made in the USA with trusted global ingredients, it ensures safety and quality. Only the best for your furry friend. In conclusion, Hill's Science Diet Adult 1-6 Dry Dog Food offers balanced nutrition for your dog. Give it a try and see the difference in their health and happiness. Number 3. The Pedigree Complete Nutrition Adult Dry Dog Food, Grilled Steak and Vegetable Flavor. This 18 pounds bag promises taste and nutrition. Let's get into it. Pedigree's grilled steak and vegetable flavor offers a delicious mix of whole grains, protein, and vegetable accents. Your dog will love the taste and you'll love the quality. Packed with 36 vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, this recipe supports your dog's health and vitality. It's a powerhouse of nutrients in every bite. 100% complete and balanced, this food ensures your adult dog gets a nutritious meal every day. Say goodbye to worries about dietary gaps. Healthy skin and coat enriched with omega-6 fatty acid and zinc, this recipe helps nourish a healthy skin and coat. Your dog will look as good as they feel. In conclusion, Pedigree Complete Nutrition Adult Dry Dog Food offers taste, nutrition, and overall health benefits. Grab a bag and see the difference in your dog's happiness and health. Number 2. The Rachael Nutrish Premium Natural Dry Dog Food, Real Chicken and Veggies Recipe. Perfect for adult dogs. Let's see why this 40-pound bag is a top pick. This food contains natural ingredients with added vitamins, minerals, and taurine. Real chicken is the #1 ingredient, providing essential protein for healthy organs and lean muscle mass. Fiber from peas and brown rice supports healthy digestion. These ingredients ensure your dog's digestive system stays happy and efficient. No poultry byproduct meal, fillers, or added wheat gluten. Plus, no artificial flavors or preservatives, so you know exactly what your dog is eating. High in protein and packed with nutrients, this food supports overall health and well-being. It's a wholesome choice for your furry friend. In conclusion, Rachael Ray Nutrish Premium Natural Dry Dog Food is a blend of quality, nutrition, and natural goodness. Give it a try and see the difference in your dog's health and happiness. Number 1. The Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dog Food in the Salmon and Rice Formula. Let's uncover why this 30-pound bag is a game-changer. Digestible oatmeal. The oatmeal is gentle on your dog's digestive system, making it easily digestible. Your furry friend will love the comfort it brings during meal times. High-protein formula with real salmon as the first ingredient. This high-protein formula supports your dog's muscle development and keeps them energetic throughout the day. Live probiotics. Fortified with live probiotics, this food aids in digestive and immune health. It's a win-win for your dog's overall wellness. Omega-6 rich sunflower oil, rich in omega-6 fatty acids, ensures your dog's skin stays healthy and coat shines bright. Beauty from the inside out. In conclusion, Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dog Food combines digestibility, protein, probiotics, and essential fats for optimal health. Give your dog the best and see the difference. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.